Welcome to qnawire.
Problem number 20 from chapter 2. This question is about the role of van der Waals forces and hydrogen bonds in the cellular activities or cell processes. So hydrogen bonds and van der Waals interactions, how do they contribute to cellular processes is that these H bonds and van der Waals forces, they form weak associations between different molecules. And by doing this, they provide the structure and shape necessary for proteins and DNA within the cells for the proper functioning of cell. So the option B and D say strong interaction. They have in the statement it is stated that there is strong interaction, but we know that there is weak interaction, which is why we have ruled out option B and option D because we know it is weak bonds or there are weak interactions. Now, what remains is option C, but because option C says weak interaction, but that does not mention DNA and protein, which is why they are just partly correct. Option C is just partly correct, and we are ruling this out because it definitely says weak interactions about hydrogen bonds, and van der Waals forces, but it does not mention the part. It does not mention DNA or the terminologies associated with proteins, which is why we have ruled out option C, and that is how option A becomes the right answer because it says both hydrogen bonds and van der Waals forces. It talks about the weak associations and also about the role they play in the structure and functionality of DNA and proteins.